Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Android device and confirming a few details first. Check your Android version, for example Android 10 or Android 12, before you begin. Make sure the browser you prefer is installed, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Update any browser from the Play Store to the latest release for best compatibility. Locate the Settings app on your device and tap to open it. You will need access to the Apps or Apps and Notifications section next. Now you will set the default browser using the Settings menu in Android. Open Settings, then tap Apps or Apps and Notifications to manage app settings. Find and tap Default Apps, which holds the system-level defaults for web and phone actions. Tap Browser app to see installed web browsers available on your device. Choose the browser you prefer, such as Chrome or Firefox, to assign it as the default. If you do not see a browser listed, install it from the Play Store and repeat these steps. Finally, follow troubleshooting tips and practical advice to keep your default browser working. If a link opens in the wrong app, open the current browser app and tap Clear Defaults in App Info. When a link prompts you to choose an app, select your browser and tap Always to save that default. Some Android manufacturers place default apps inside Advanced Settings. Check your device menu thoroughly. You can also install a different browser anytime and repeat the default selection steps to change your choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.